Hello, good morning everyone. I hope everyone is doing fine and following the lockdown sincerely like me. So lots of people they are very angry and sad and concerned of catching coronavirus because we are thinking a lot of information about the disease and we are thinking all the time about the disease and its consequences. So that is draining our energy like anything. So most of the people they are not doing anything for the mobility and flexibility these days because our gym are shut down and our walking is compromised. So today I will show you some exercise that you can add to your daily routine. So you have to add your daily routine so that you can stay consistent with your mobility and flexibility. So my name is Spad. I work in Nightingale Home Health Service. So today we are introducing a new section of Facebook Live, Stay Fit and Stay Home. So let's start doing the exercise. So first of all, what you have to do, just we'll do the neck exercise and stretching. So we'll start with the stretching exercise. What you have to do, you have to take your head down and maintain this position for 15 seconds. Okay, so some people they will feel giddiness by doing all these exercise, so my advice is to stop doing that exercise. So what we have to do, just we have to take our head down and count for 15 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Very good. Now we'll do the stretching exercise by taking our head towards the ceiling. Okay, if you are feeling giddiness by doing this stretching, so my advice is to stop doing this stretching then. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So while doing this you'll feel a stretch this side. Now we'll do the neck rotation. So for neck rotation stretching exercise, what you have to do, you have to take your head towards the shoulder. So you have to maintain that position for 15 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Very good. So by doing this stretch you'll feel stretch this side. Okay, now we'll do the opposite side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Very good, excellent. Now we have done the stretching. Now we'll move to do the exercise. So we'll start by doing taking the head down and up. Okay, we'll do this exercise for 10 seconds. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Very good, excellent. Now we will do the neck rotation. So some people, what they do when they will do the neck rotation, they will keep their head either down like this or up like that. So you have to maintain the head in a neutral position and do the neck rotation. Okay, now we'll do the neck rotation towards the right side. So what you have to do, you have to take your head towards the shoulder. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9, 10. Okay. By this we completed the neck exercise by doing the neck flexion and extension and neck rotation exercise. Now in some people there are so many muscles on the neck, so most muscle which is very prone to develop tightness, that is the trapezius muscle, which is situated like in this area. So we'll do the stretching of the trapezius muscle. So what you have to do, just you have to take your shoulder down of that side, okay, and rotate the neck towards the opposite side. So the stretching will go like this. What you have to do, you have to take your shoulder down. If you are stretching the right trapezius muscle, so you have to take the shoulder down, okay, and move your head towards the opposite side. Try to touch your neck towards the shoulder, okay, and you can take your left hand and gentle press, and when you will get the stretch, maintain the stretch for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So while doing this stretch, so there is a pull and a kind of a pain, that's normal, so you don't worry, you have to continue doing the stretch. So now we'll do the stretch for left trapezius. What you have to do, you have to take the shoulder down of that side, okay. Now you have to take your head, try to touch your ear to the shoulder, okay, and maintain this position. Use your right hand, okay. Now press, gentle press you have to do. Maintain this position for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good, excellent. So by this we have completed the neck exercises and stretching. Now we'll move towards the shoulder exercise. Before that, what we'll do is to just, you have to lift your shoulder up and down. That's the shrugging exercise, just to warm up the shoulder. We'll do this exercise for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, excellent. Now we'll do the exercise for the shoulder now. So what you have to do, we'll start with the shoulder flexion exercise. Just, it's a very simple exercise I am showing you, and they are very much effective, okay. So you have to take your arm up above the head, okay, and take it down. So it's not necessary to take your arms up above the head. So whichever is comfortable for you, so you can take to that range of motion, okay. We'll do this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. So now we'll do some abduction exercise for the shoulder. So what you have to do, you have to take your arm by the side above the head. So the exercise will go like this. So we'll do this 10 times, okay. 1, take it down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Okay. Now, what we have to do, so we have to do this exercise or any of these exercise 30 times, and you have to do it 10 times and take a rest again 10 times, take a rest again 10 times. That will complete 30 repetitions. Okay. So now we'll do shoulder extension, external rotation and medial rotation. So what you have to do, you have to take your arm by the side. Okay. Now bend the elbow, face the palm towards the front and do down and backward. So we'll do this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So we'll do some breathe in and breathe out. So while doing any of these exercises, if you experience any pain, any discomfort, so my advice is to stop doing that exercise. Now we'll do exercise for the elbow. So before that, we'll stretch the trapezius muscle, that is straighter at the upper arm, at the back of the arm. So what you have to do, you have to take your arm straight up and tap your shoulder at the back. Use your left hand, gentle press it and count for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15. Very good, excellent. So now we'll do same on the opposite side, that's on the left side. So what you have to do, take your arm up, tap your shoulder, use your right hand and gentle press you have to do. You'll feel the stretch this side, maintain the stretch for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good, excellent. So now what we have to do, we will do some elbow exercise, that is flexion and extension exercise for the elbow. It's very simple exercise. What you have to do, you have to bend your elbow and open it. Okay, so we'll do this exercise for 10 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, excellent. So we'll do some breathe in and breathe out exercise. Very good, excellent. Now we'll move to the hip exercise. What you have to do, just we'll do the flexion, extension, abduction and external and internal rotation for the hip, so that we can maintain our mobility and flexibility. So if you have any question, you can write in the comment box. I will love to give the answer after this session. Okay, first we have to hold something so that you can have some support. Okay, we'll do the hip flexion exercise 10 times. On the right side, what you have to do, you have to lift your leg up, take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now we'll do on the left side. Okay, we'll do this 10 times. You have to hold something. Okay, 1. So while doing this exercise, your back should be erect and straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we'll do some abduction exercise. What you have to do, you have to lift your leg by the side, okay, and you have to see your toes should face towards the front. So now what we have to do, I will show this side so that you can understand what I am doing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. We'll do some breathe in and breathe out exercise. Now we'll do same on the left side. Now I'm showing this front side now. So what you have to do, you have to lift your leg to the side. Toes should face towards the front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Very good, guys. Now we'll do some exercise in the sitting position. So what we have to do, so we'll do some external and internal rotation of the hip. So what you have to do, you have to keep your legs straight. If you are doing on the right side of the leg, you have to keep your legs straight. And what you have to do, you have to turn your leg little bit in and out. Okay, so we'll do this exercise 10 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great, guys. Now we'll move up to the opposite leg. Same exercise we have to do. You have to take your leg in the straight position, and you have to take your leg in and out. You have to do this 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent, guys. Now we'll move to the knee. So knee, we have to do flexion and extension exercise. These are very basic exercise, but trust me, these exercises are very effective. So what you have to do, you have to take your knee straight and bend the knee. So we'll start with doing on the right side. So what you have to do, you have to take it straight and bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So we can do breathe in and breathe out. Now same exercise we'll do on the opposite leg. So what you have to do, you have to take your knees straight and do bend. Okay, we'll do this 10 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent, guys. Now we'll move to the ankle. So ankle exercise, what you have to do, you have to lift your feet up and down like this. We'll do on the both the sides together 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent, guys. Now we'll do breathe in and breathe out. Very good, guys. Now we'll do some stretching exercise for the hamstring. So some people they say that behind the leg there's tightness they felt. So this is the hamstring tightness. So what you have to do, you have to take your leg straight. You have to keep your leg straight. Okay, keep your left arm on the leg. Okay, on the left leg. Just try to touch your toes. Okay, and maintain this position for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. Now we'll do on the left side. Same, what you have to do, you have to take your left leg, knee should be straight. So what you have to do, take the right arm on the right side of the leg and try to go and touch your left feet and count for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Excellent, guys. So now last stretching I will show you. That is one of my favorite. What you have to do, you have to stand, okay, and take your hands, keep on the side of the back. Okay, try to lean backwards and feel the stretch. Have a big smile on your face because it's one of my favorite. So count for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good, guys. Excellent, guys. By this I think we have covered all the exercise. So now if you miss any of the exercise, so you can go to our timeline. So after the session you can see the exercise and start doing the exercise. Thank you. So if you have any questions, let me see. Okay. So this exercise, all the exercise, what you have to do, if you are doing the stretching exercise, okay, so what you have to do, you have to do that stretching, you have to count for 15 seconds, okay, and for exercise you have to do 30 times every exercise. So you have to do 10 times, then take a rest, again 10 times, take a rest, and 10 times, okay. So hi Prakash, back pain exercise. Okay, back pain exercise, it will be coming our next maybe session. So you have to do one thing, you have to turn on the notification so that you cannot miss any posts, any live updates. Thank you, LP Yadav. Thank you, Afaq. Thank you, Ashfaq. Okay, so now I think only 2 minutes are left. So I want to thank you for being here and implement these exercises to your daily routine so that you can stay consistent and consistent with your mobility and flexibility, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you, Sahash. Thank you.